Okay guys, it's that time of year again. I got the pot leaf Christmas sweater on because it's time to do a Christmas makeup look. As we are in December, and Christmas is in literally like 10 days. 10 days? When you watch this, it'll be even sooner. Let's start over now. That was bullshit. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. Like Catterstein. Or Fatterstein, but Bratterstein. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my Christmas makeup tutorial. I like to do this because putting on makeup is fun, Christmas is fun, so Christmas makeup should be double fun if I did my math correctly. I failed math, so. Today's look is going to be... last year I did a Christmas makeup look, and it was a glittery eye with a red lip, and this year is going to be a glittery eye and a red lip again, because that's what you do at Christmas, but I'm going to put a different spin on it and make it a little more jazzy. I feel like my skills have gotten a little better in the last year, at least in my opinion. I could be wrong on that. Let me know if you disagree or if you do agree, but I'm pretty excited to play around and put on some makeup and do a glittery eye with some red lips. Before we get started, please make sure to take a second and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Join the Brat Pack. I put up new videos every week. I'm on like a filming spree right now, so it might even be more than one a week. And you don't want to miss it, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot, and we are stupid close, so maybe go ahead and subscribe, because by the time that you do, I might be doing a giveaway. That was a weird sentence, but you know what I mean. Subscribe. Also, why don't you real quick give me a comment down below and say hi, tell me where you're from, tell me your name. I'm Brittany and you are. We're having a conversation, a back and forth. It would be a little rude if you were just kind of like, and I was just sitting there like, well, why don't I go fuck myself? Just saying. Hi. Alright, anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me create a glittery eye and red lip Christmas makeup tutorial look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by priming the lids with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And this is in the shade Fair 5. I don't know if this is the new shades, or I guess they're not new anymore because it's been a while, but it's the light one, is what I'm trying to say.
No, don't do that.
I put on too much primer, so... Okay, now that I'm sufficiently primed, I might have put on a little bit too much primer, but here we are. We gotta just go with it. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it a little closer and we'll get started on this look. I'm pretty excited. I hope it comes out the way it is in my head. Fingers crossed for me. All right, this is looking good. I feel like this angle will be good. What do you think? I think so. I think I'm gonna use my shadow shields. I've been back on these again, but I only have one. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. I like shredded it, so we'll see. That does look pretty even, I think. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna go real hard right from the beginning, and I'm gonna take a dark brown shade. I'm gonna take Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette on a really small pencil brush. So what I'm gonna do is a cut crease, and I'm gonna start with the darker shade and work my way up to the lighter shades. I do this from time to time, and I have been liking it. So that's what I'm gonna do this time as well. I hope. Fingers crossed for me, man, because I really want this to come out good. Okay, so I gotta like look straight, because when I do a cut crease, my eye shape is weird. Okay, so that's kind of like the way that my bone is shaped. I'm going to do the other side and I'll be right back. Those look pretty even. I almost feel like I should have angled that up more, but I might just look like a sad girl, which would be on point for me because that's who I really am. Okay, now I'm gonna take this thin little fluff brush. I'm gonna hit the shade Rustic, and I'm gonna real softly hit those edges and kind of blend it out, half on the dark shade and half on my skin. That Mitchell technique, because he's a genius and we're all doing that now. Sorry that the mirror's sort of in there. I need to be able to see so I don't blow it out too high in my inner corner and everything, you know. Okay, so now that I kind of have that blend the way I want it to be, I'm now going to take this Alamar palette here, and I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Taxi, and I'm going to just yellow it up a bit on the edges of that with an even smaller brush, light strokes, feather it out, all that jazz. Look at that, that's so pretty. It's exactly the kind of look I was going for. It's like a nice brown to mustard blend. Okay, so now that we got that crease work done, I gotta cut the situation, which always makes me nervous. So I'm gonna try to do that real quick on camera. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. It just looks like this. It's kind of got the shape for me, so I don't have to do as much work, hopefully. I'm gonna take the concealer that I used to prime my lids, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and get into cutting. Just so I can tell you now, because as soon as I cut it, I'm gonna set it immediately so it doesn't transfer. I'm gonna go in with this shade here, Tempera, on the white part. That shade is gorgeous. It was my favorite in Modern Renaissance. Like, it's the only shade I hit pan on, and then it came out in this palette too, and I was like, look yeah. I don't know if they sell it as a single shade, but I don't think they do. So I am dipping this brush into the concealer, dabbing it off on my hand, and going in. Okay, I set it down a little bit. Now I'm going to take my flat brush, dip into a tempera a little more, and really get right up against that edge. And there we go right there. I'm going to try to mimic this on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Wish me luck. Thank you. Okay guys, so now that we have them as close as they're gonna be, are they perfectly even? No. Do I care? No. So we're gonna go ahead and darken up that brown, get real chocolate. So we're gonna go back into the cypress of the umbers. And we're gonna define the F out of that line, okay? I got this itty bitty little brush, which is really good for this exact purpose, and we're gonna go right along that line, just to redefine that cut crease. Make real sure that people know you put work into this. You feel me? Because you did. Because I did. I really, really did. Don't make too many expressions. I have like the worst effing eye shape for a cut crease because like my eyes are so deep set that like it's easy to lose it. So I have to cut it super duper high. Like, look at, there's my crease, and there's where I have to cut it because of my deep set goddamn eyeballs. You know, whatever. My eyes have always. Oh shit. Wait. I didn't dust it off. Oh, okay. Woo! Woo! Glad I said that. My eyes have always been my like favorite feature on my face. So even though they're deep set, I have still always liked them. Because they're large and brown eyes are pretty. Any brown-eyed girls I have out there, don't let anyone tell you you're not special because brown eyes are beautiful. Or brown-eyed boys, whatever. You have beautiful eyes. Just know that brown eyes are gorgeous. Many of my favorite people have brown eyes, including me. And I think they're pretty. So. Alright, so now that we got this going on, which I feel like looks very nice if I do say so myself, we're going to go in and make it a little special. I finally, several years late, picked up the Urban Decay liquid glitter liners, and this is in the shade Midnight Cowboy because this is the one everyone talks about. So I was like, this is the one I should start with. And it's gorgeous. Seriously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redefine that cut crease again by putting this on it. And this is what's going to make it special and glittery. Glitter cut crease for Christmas. Let's do it. I have never done this before. This type. That's, what the hell? What was I trying to say? I don't know. You tell me. I have never done this type of eye before, so I'm pretty excited. I haven't done many cut creases because, again, I don't feel like I have the eye shape for them, so they're kind of hard for me, but I'm trying, and I've definitely never done a glitter cut crease, so let's go for it. Got my glitter. Okay. Ooh. All right, we got to go over it a little more. I'm trying to decide if I want to take it all the way in or only halfway. What do you guys think? Let's just take it all the way. Let's be that person. If it doesn't look good, it doesn't look good. I'm just worried it'll get lost in my stupid fat eye crease. But whatever. Oh, it looks so pretty. I see why people do this. Sorry if this is like the worst shot ever of you to see it, but I'm doing my best. I am not a professional YouTuber. You never would have guessed, huh? I know I seem very professional, but I'm really not. Look at that. Okay, let's let it dry with my eyes like this so nothing happens to it. After I let it dry, I'm going to do the other eye, put on a wing, because I feel like it needs a wing, and I will be right back so we can do the lower lash line. Let's go. All right, so I am back, guys. I got my wing on. My liquid liner was being a little bitch today, and it was like coming out. My little thing was messed up, and it was coming out like way too fast. It started to bleed. It got real messy. I think I made it look decent. If you were to look up close, it's not the best, but I was able to save it so it didn't ruin the look. And I would have been really disappointed if it did, because God damn it, this doesn't look so pretty that I can't even stand it. I'm glad I was able to save it at least a bit. I will have to get a different liner because I was thinking of doing this for my Christmas party at work, and now that I see it, I think it's exactly what I'm going to do. But I'm going to have to get a new liner because in person, the liner's not great. That's just what it is. So let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm going to start with the shade Rustic here because I find that shade to be so pretty. Anytime I use this palette, I go in with that shade. I think it's really special and unique in the brown that it is. It is a brown, but it's a unique brown. So pretty. My goodness, I love it. I'm going to add a little more just to darken it up a bit, smoke it a little lower. Yeah. I gotta show you something real quick. Do you see them? Do you see those two? Oh my God. Are they serious right now? With the cute that is my babies. Hey guys, what are you doing? Daughters is over to love. Hi honey, you coming over here? Come and hang out with me? Can you even deal with the cuteness that is my cats? I don't think you can. All right, now I'm gonna take that Cypress Umber and I'm gonna hit the outermost corners. You know, I do my lower lash line the same every time because this is what works for my eye shape. So if you want something different, I'm sorry. This is what works for me and my eye shape, especially since I'm like elongating it. And now I'm gonna take my favorite lower lash line brush. I'm gonna go in with that Cocoa Taxi shade. I was about to say Topo Chico because I've been drinking way too much Topo Chico lately. So I'm gonna run that right under just to yellow it out. Yes, look at that. Oh, I am obsessed with this look. This might be one of my favorite ones I've ever done. I'm so proud of myself. This is so much better than last year. Last year I thought it was cute. When I looked back, I was like, no, but now this. I hope a year from now I still think this is cute. Actually, I hope a year from now I think this is shitty because I don't mean that I've gotten even better. Look at that. Fuck. I'm good. I'm sorry. I feel very proud of myself. I feel like my makeup skills are improving every single day, and I'm here for it. Okay, I'm gonna do lower lash mascara, and then we'll do the lip and finish this look off.
Oh, this one by NYX. This is the Foil Play Cream Eyeshadow.
All right, so now that we got the lower lash mascara on, I am just like obsessed with this. And now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner with the Fenty Beauty Glitter Bomb, Diamond Bomb. How many carats? You know the one, this one. I got this recently. I think I did a haul on it. If I did, I'll link it up there. I don't know why I said that so weird, but I'll link it up there. I am obsessed with this. I have been using it a lot. I carry it with me at work. Look at that. Oh, I carry it with me at work, and I've been putting it on my coworkers. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She's so pretty. She's so freaking pretty. I'm packing that shit on. I want like a lot of it in there, because it is glittery and it is beautiful. I did a look to go and look at Christmas lights where I just put this on my lid, nothing in the crease, nothing else, and a winged liner and a red lip, and that was Christmas. Okay, I want something a little more jazzy for my Christmas party, but if you want something simple, this on the lid, a winged liner, red lipstick, that's it. It's fucking stunning. And you know what? Just because, I mean, this is a Christmas look, let's be extra. Let's pop this on the cheek as well. Give us a little extra razzle dazzle. Can you see it? Wait. Oh, it's freaking stunning. It is beautiful no matter what you say. What can bring her down? Oh no. Okay, let's throw on the classic red lip. I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Lip Liner in the shade Red Rum. All right, and I'm gonna go in with the Lunar Beauty Liquid Lipstick in the shade Aphrodite. We just gotta have Manny and Jeffree together again. That was in poor taste, I think. I don't know. All right, guys, so this is the completed makeup look. This is my take on a pretty Christmas party makeup look with a glittery eye and a bold red lip. What do you think? I am obsessed with how this came out. This might be one of my favorite looks I've ever done. I want to go somewhere, though I have nowhere to go. So I'm just gonna hang out by myself and look really attractive with no one around to appreciate it. What can I say? Maybe it would help if I left my house ever and had friends, but here we are not doing that. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this makeup look. Let me know what you're going to be doing for Christmas. Do you have any parties coming up? Are you going to do a golden red look, or are you going to do something a little more unique? Sorry, I'm not more unique, but I think this is so pretty and I am not mad about it. That was a very weird voice. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel before you leave. I would love to have you as part of the Brat Pack and to have you come back and hang out with me and all my friends that are on the internet. Internet friends? This is why I don't leave my house. Why do I need to leave my house when I got all you badass bitches on the internet? I don't know. And again, thank you so much for hanging out with me and my channel. If you are still watching videos, as I suspect you are, why don't you click on one of these links over here? These are links to videos I put up in the past. Jack saying hi. And why don't you click on my face here? It'll take you to where you can subscribe, because I didn't give you enough options to do that. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Have a Merry goddamn Christmas, and I will see you next time. Bye.